Hello friends, how are you? You are welcome back to my YouTube channel Science and Maths Classes by Jay Sir. And today we are going to discuss about differentiation of class 12. Okay, differentiation for class 12. Okay, it is a topic related to mathematics for class 12. And differentiation, what do you mean by differentiation? Differentiation is the process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. Differentiation is the process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. If we choose a function y is equal to fx, means is the function of x, then we may write it as the x to the power n. Here n stands for 0, 1, 2, 3, and n here n may be a whole number, n may be a natural number, n may be a integer. It n here stands for negative, positive, 0, and means here n stands for whole number, natural number. Okay, and it may be integer, negative integer, or positive integer. Okay, if we choose y is equal to fx equal to xn, then the differentiation means the derivative of x to the power n, that is the rate of change of this function with respect to x. Y is equal to fx, that is fx is equal to x to the power n. Then if we find the rate of change of this function with respect to x, then we write it as dx to the power n divided by dx. Here we differentiate this function with respect to x. Okay, we differentiate, or we find derivative or rate of change of this function with respect to x. Then we write it dx to the power n divided by dx equals to how much? It becomes n common out and x n minus 1. This is the general formula for dx n by dx n x n minus 1. If a function y is equal to fx, that is fx is equal to xn, then we differentiate it with respect to x. Then we find we have dxn by dx is equal to n x n minus 1. Okay, if we take trigonometric functions, that is 6 trigonometric functions, then how we can represent these differentiation, these derivatives, and what are the formulas for these functions. Then we write here. Okay, 6 trigonometric functions. First, sin x. Okay, if y is equal to sin x is a function, that is it is a trigonometric function, then if we differentiate it with respect to x, then we have dy by dx is equal to d sin x divided by dx is equal to cos x. Okay, this is a formula for differentiation of sin x, which comes out cos x. And the next, if y is equal to cos x, then d cos x divided by dx equals to how much? It sin x. If we take a function tan x, then the differentiation of tan x equals to how much? It becomes sec square x. Differentiation of cosec x, differentiation of cosec x. If we differentiate cosec x with respect to x, then we have the formula differentiation of cosec x equals to how much? It becomes minus cosec x into cot x. Differentiation of cot x equal to how much? Minus cosec square x dx. Differentiation of tan x, differentiation of sec x equals to sec x into tan x. And these are the formulas for differentiation of trigonometric functions. Okay, if we take trigonometric functions y is equal to sin x, and if we differentiate it with respect to x, then d sin x by dx equals to cos x, d cos x by dx is equal to sin x, d tan x by dx is equal to sec square x, d cosec x by dx is equal to minus cosec x into cot x, d cot x by dx is equal to minus cosec square x, and d sec x by dx equal to sec x into tan x. And these are the formulas by which we find the differentiation or rate of change of functions. Okay, and these are the formulas for trigonometric functions for differentiation. And the next formulas are next differentiation of exponential x with respect to x equals to how much? Exponential x. Differentiation of log x equal to 1 by x. D differentiation of f of a to the power x equals to a to the power x log a. Differentiation of a to the power x equals to a to the power x dot log a. That means differentiation of ax becomes ax into log a. And the next formula and these are the formulas for differentiation for finding the derivative or rate of change for these functions. Or if we differentiate it, we find the rate of change of all these functions. Okay, with respect to the functions given, and we can solve here the problem related to these formulas. Okay, and the problem may be written as if y is equal to given x to the power 5 and we differentiate it, then we write differentiating with respect to x, we differentiate this function with respect to x. Okay, then we have dy by dx equals to dx to the power 5 divided by dx. Then we have what? 5x to the power 5 minus 1, that is 5x to the power 4. And this is a general form, and here we use the formula x to the power n. Okay, dx to the power n by dx equals to n x n minus 1. Okay, and this function is in the form of x to the power n, so we use this formula. This formula dx to the power n by dx n x n minus 1. Here the value of n is equal to 5. Okay, here n equal to 5. Then we take 5 into x to the power 5 minus 1, and the differentiation of x to the power 5 becomes 5x to the power 4. Okay, and the next differentiations and the next examples may be also written as if differentiation of exponential 4x is given, y equals to exponential 4x, then we differentiate it and find dy by dx equals to d exponential 4x divided by exponential not divided by d 4x. Why do we write here 4x? Because we know the formula dex by dx, but we don't know the formula for exponential for x. Okay, here we write formula exponential x, then here x. Okay, so here if exponential 4x, then we have to differentiate it with respect to this power, that is 4x. Okay, then we differentiate it one more, then d for x by dx, then it becomes exponential 4x into 4. Okay, it becomes exponential 4x into 4, that is 4 exponential 4x. Okay, and this is the example for exponential function. Okay, and the next functions are also be solved as, and the problem may be written as x to the power x plus 5 to the power x to the power x plus 5 whole power 5. Then we write it as y is equal to x plus 5 raised to the power 5. Then we differentiate it with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, we have dy by dx equals to dx plus 5 to the power 5 divided by dx plus 5. Okay, dx plus 5 into dx plus 5, and this is the example of function to function. This is the example of function to function derivative. Okay, and we write it as then 5x plus 5, and here 5 minus 1 into here this is the constant term, so differentiation of a constant term becomes 0, so we write it as 1. Okay, dx by dx becomes 1, and we write it as 5x plus 5 to the power 4, and here 1 into 5. Okay, and this is the answer for this function. Okay, now more examples for derivative. Okay, we write here question 3x square into 1 plus exponential x, and we have to find the differentiation of derivative of this function. Then at first we write it y is equal to 3x square, y equal to 3x square and 1 plus exponential x. Okay, and this is the function which is written as u into v. So we have formula for u into v, and what is the formula for differentiation of the function in the form u into v, and the formula for this type of function is d u b divided by dx, means differentiation of u into v with respect to x is written as d u v by dx equals to u common out, u here, u remains constant, and we differentiate v dv by dx plus v written as constant, and we write du by dx. Okay, and this is the formula for u into v. This is the differentiation of u into v. Okay, so if we choose it u and it v, then we can differentiate it by using this formula. Okay, we can differentiate it by using this formula. Then differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equals to, if we choose 3x square u, then 3x square differentiation of 1 plus exponential x dx plus 1 plus exponential x d 3x square by dx. Then we write it 3x square, and the differentiation of 1, that is constant term, equals to 0, and the differentiation of exponential x equals to exponential x. So we write it exponential x plus 1 plus exponential x, and the differentiation of 3x squared equals to how much? It becomes 3 to the 6, here 6x. Okay, now we can simplify it. 3x exponential x plus 6x plus 6x exponential x. Okay, and here we common out, we can take common exponential x, then it becomes, no, we can take common 3x exponential x, then it becomes 1 plus 2 plus 6x, and this is the final answer for differentiation of 3x square into 1 plus x. Okay, if we take a fractional function, okay, if we differentiate a derivative, this is in the form of p by q. Okay, if we differentiate a function, this is in the form of u by v, then what is the formula for differentiation of the function in the form of u by v? Okay, at first we know the formula for u by v. Okay, so the formula for differentiation of u by v equals to how much? D u by v equals, with respect to dx, equals to v square, denominator v square, and here v taken as a constant v, and we differentiate u with respect to x, minus u constant, and we differentiate dv by dx, v with respect to x, then dv by dx. So the formula for the functions which are in the form of u by v, v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx, and divided by v square. Okay, so if we choose a function in u by v, or we write a function, or if a function is given in the form of u by v, then we differentiate it, that function in the form of u by v by using this formula. By using this formula, if we take a question as 3x by 1 plus x square, and okay, then how can we differentiate it? If a function is given in the form of 3x by 1 plus x square, then we take it y is equal to 3x by 1 plus x square, 3x by 1 plus x square. Then we differentiate it by using the formula differentiation of u by v. Okay, then what we'll do here, and further we differentiate it with respect to x. Okay, dy by dx equals to how much? This is the u and this is the v. Okay, so 1 plus x square to the power whole square, 1 plus x square constant, then we differentiate 3x with respect to x minus 3x constant, and d1 plus x square divided by dx. If we choose 3x as a u and 1 plus x square as a v, then we can find dy by dx, that is the differentiation of 3x by 1 plus x square, derivative of the 3x by 1 plus x square with respect to x. Then we write it first, it is y is equal to 3x by 1 plus x square, where 3x is taken as u and 1 plus x square taken as v. Then we differentiate it by using this formula, differentiation of u by v by dx equals to v du by dx minus u dv by dx and divided by v square. Okay, so the final result becomes 1 plus x square into 3 minus 3x into 2x divided by 1 plus x square to the power whole square. Okay, equals to 3 plus 3x square minus 3 to the 6 x square, and it becomes 1 plus x square, and here 3x square minus 6 square equals to minus 3x square, and this becomes 3 minus 3x square divided by 1 plus x square, and this is the final answer for this differentiation. Okay, okay friends, if we differentiate the functions which are written as u plus b and u minus b, then we can use the formula as du plus b by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. If a function is given in the form of u minus b, then we use the formula u minus d differentiation u minus v du minus b dx equals to du by dx minus dv by dx. Okay, du minus b by dx equals to du by dx minus dv by dx. Okay, if question is given as sin x plus sin square x y is given as sin x plus sin square x, and you have to differentiate it with respect to x. Then how can you differentiate it? Then you have to use the formula du plus d by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, so we differentiate it, differentiating with respect to x. We differentiate this function with respect to x, then dy by dx, then dy by dx equals to d sin x by dx plus d sin square x d sin x, because this is the function of function. Okay, here sin square x is differentiated as d sin square x by d sin x because it is the function of function. So d sin x by dx. Okay, so differentiation becomes cos x plus 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so here we can write cos x, and we know that the formula for 2 sin x into cos x equals to sin 2x. Okay, formula for 2 sin x into cos x equals to sin x. So the differentiation of sin x plus sin square x equals to cos x plus sin 2x. Okay, and if we take a function sin x minus sin square x, then we use this formula. Okay, then we use this formula. Okay friends, today we discussed this type of problems and the formulas for some derivatives. Okay, and now we discuss some more formulas. Okay, that is differentiations of inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, differentiation of sin inverse x equals to 1 by root under 1 minus x square. Differentiation of cos inverse x equals to differentiation of cos inverse x equals to minus 1 by root under 1 minus x square. Differentiation of tan inverse x equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of cot inverse x equals to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, and differentiation of sec inverse x by dx equal to 1 by mod x, and here x square minus 1. Okay, and the differentiation for d cosec inverse x by dx equals to how much? Minus 1 by mod x into x square minus 1. Okay, and these are the formulas for inverse trigonometric functions. Differentiation of sin inverse x equals to 1 divided by root under 1 minus x square, and the differentiation for cos inverse x equals to minus 1 by root under 1 minus x square. Differentiation of tan inverse x equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of cot inverse x equals to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of sec inverse x equals to 1 by mod x root under x square minus 1 square. Differentiation of cosec inverse x equals to minus 1 by mod x root under x square minus 1. Okay,